In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror a shape in PowerPoint quickly and easily. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating custom graphics, or building symmetrical layouts, knowing how to flip or mirror shapes can save you a lot of time and make your slides look more professional. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the presentation where you want to mirror a shape. You can do this in a new blank presentation or in an existing slide deck. Once you're inside PowerPoint, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, look for the Shapes option. Click on Shapes and you'll see a drop-down menu with a wide variety of shapes, including rectangles, circles, arrows, stars, and more. Select any shape you'd like to work with. For this example, you can choose something simple like a rectangle or an arrow, so it's easier to see the mirroring effect. After selecting the shape, click and drag on the slide to draw it. Resize and position it however you like. Now click on the shape to make sure it's selected. You'll see selection handles appear around it. This confirms that the shape is active and ready to be edited. To mirror the shape properly while keeping the original intact, we're going to create a copy. With the shape selected, right-click on it and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, click anywhere on the slide and paste the shape by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by pressing Ctrl+V. You'll now have two identical shapes on your slide. Drag the copied shape slightly to the side so you can clearly see both versions. This makes it easier to compare the original and the mirrored version. With the copied shape selected, go to the top ribbon again. Depending on your PowerPoint version, you'll see a Shape Format tab or Picture Format tab appear once the shape is selected. Click on that Format tab. In the Format tab, look for the Arrange option. Click on Arrange to open the drop-down menu. Inside this menu, find the Rotate option. Click on Rotate and you'll see several rotation choices. To mirror the shape horizontally, select Flip Horizontal. Instantly, your selected shape will flip and become a mirrored version of the original. If you want to mirror the shape vertically instead, you can choose Flip Vertical from the same Rotate menu. This flips the shape upside down. After flipping, you can drag the mirrored shape next to the original to create a symmetrical design. Use the alignment guides that appear on the screen to line them up perfectly. And that's it. That's how you mirror a shape in PowerPoint using the built-in Rotate and Flip tools. It's quick, simple, and works with almost any shape you insert. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.